Welcome back children to lesson number 5, Wonderful World of Bholu. Today we will see that where Bholu has reached. So today Bholu has reached to Hathi Dada. And you know who is Hathi Dada? Yes, Hathi Dada is an elephant. So children, take out page number 41 and we'll start reading. Elephant asks Bholu, "Oh Bholu, where do you go?" Then Bholu says, "Hathi Dada, it's good that you have met. I am very much confused." Children, you know na why Bholu is confused? Yes, he is confused because he met different animals and he has known about their different habitats. So now he is all in confusion that every animal has different habitats. So elephant asks, what happened? Then Bholu says, "Dada, the fish lives in water, the squirrel lives on the land, and the tortoise lives on land as well as in water. How wonderful is this?" Then the elephant says, "What is so strange in this? Everyone has habitat according to their adaptation." So now the elephant explains Bholu that it is nothing strange in this because every animal has different habitats according to their adaptation as they adapt themselves to the environment. Then Bholu again questions, "Is it so?" "Yes," says the elephant. Then the elephant says that the animals which lives on land are known as terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals are animals that live entirely on land. They spend most of their time or their entire lifespan on land. Examples of terrestrial animals include cats, ants, dogs, kangaroos, tigers, lions, elephants, leopards, and many more. Children, these animals have developed specific features that help them to survive and live on land. There are some special features of terrestrial animals. The first one is, you know that they spend most of their time on land. Most of these animals have legs which help them to run fast, to catch their prey or protect themselves from being hunted. The next is they have well developed lungs. That means they respire through lungs. Different terrestrial animals have sharp teeth and claws to catch their prey. Then the elephant explains in detail to Bholu that animals which live on land are known as terrestrial, lives in water are aquatic, flies in sky are avian or aerial, and those animals which live on land as well as in water are known as amphibians. So now Bholu is satisfied and he says, "Oh, is it?" Now Bholu is really satisfied and he has got good knowledge about the animals and their habitat. Children, I hope you all also understood what are different types of animals and about their habitat. So this was for all today. We will be meeting in my next video. Till then, stay connected. Bye-bye.